everyone, so how are you all guys? I hope you people all will be good and I am also good, as you can see my friends. And our topic is how to learn English language easily. So yes my friends, if you are new here, so you are welcome here. And if you are watching this video first time, definitely if you are new here, then you are watching this video first time here, so please subscribe this channel and motivate me, because my friends, if you do subscribe, then get me motivation, make more videos. So please my friends, subscribe the channel and motivate me make more videos. Okay my friends, so without any delay, let's get started our video. And friends, so firstly I would like to tell you, if you are learning English language nowadays, and if you want to learn seriously, if you want to learn English language, then my friends, um you can learn all things. Okay, i'm not just saying about learning English language. If you want to learn something new, then you can learn all things. Just you have to patience, and just you have to capacity to learn those things, then you can learn all things. Believe me my friends, what thing you want to learn, just you can learn by practicing more and more. Whatever you want to learn, it just depend on your practice, that how much you do practice every day. Friends, just I would like to tell you, if you are belong to like such area where is English is not spoken, just we can say if you belong to village area, because I'm also from village area, so I can understand. In such area are not available English environment, like we can say जहाँ पर English बोली जाती हो, यहाँ पर हमारे siblings, हमारे family में भी कोई family member English बोलता हो, there are no available such environment. So yes, for such people it's take time to learn English language. But yes, it doesn't mean that you can't learn something new. You can learn all things. As I told you, it's depend on your practice, that how much you do practice every day. Okay my friends, so what should we do firstly? So if you are a beginner, truly beginner, if you are truly beginner, and if you don't know more about grammar rules, basic grammar rules, so if you take my word, then you should learn basic grammar rules. Basic grammar rules, that means some helping verb, causative verb, and pronoun table, and all models verb. Because my friends, if you don't know about this thing, and if you don't have English environment where English is spoken, and if you are alone, then my friends, how you can learn without learning these things? So because grammar is so lengthy, so no need to learn all grammar rules, but basic grammar rules you should learn, and simultaneously you should practice, and you should practice every day. Short sentences you should speak with yourself, as if when you learn some basic grammar rules, then you can form so many sentences. Like, you don't make so many sentences, at least you can form 10 to 20, 10 to 15 translation Hindi to English. Just but my friends, you don't speak to Hindi translation. Just you have to speak English translation, because you have to make your habit to speak in English. Because initially when you want to speak in English, then your tongue will be not ready to speak any sentence in English, right? Yes my friends, because when I was a beginner, that time I felt this thing. That's why I'm saying with you. So the more you practice English speaking, the more you will be become fluent English speaker, and then your tongue is ready to speak very well any sentence in English. So initially you will find it's difficult, but gradually you will be able to speak English fluently and confidently. Okay, so my dear friends, firstly you have to learn basic grammar rules, and simultaneously you have to make sentences, and you have to speak, and you have to practice with them. Okay, and in such a way you will be learning some vocabulary words, uh, forming with English sentences, right? Yes. And next thing my friends, record yourself, and what sentences you make every day you should speak, and you can record yourself in your mobile, and after recording you can listen them out. And where you find out any mistakes. So firstly you will have to improve them, and then again you can record, and then again you can listen. In such a way you can improve your English, and where you do mistakes then you can improve your mistakes. Friends, every day you will have to do like this, then you can improve more and more your English. Okay. Yes. And my friends, if you don't speaking practice, only you do reading, listening, and understanding, and if you don't practice with them, speaking practice, you will be able to understand all things, and you will be able to make Hindi to English translation. But when you want to speak in English, then you will be not able to speak English correctly, and then you will be not able to speak English properly. Why? Because if you are only listening, if you are only reading, and you don't speaking practice, so why you will be able to speak English with anyone, in front of anyone? Because at that time if you want to speak fluently, then your tongue will be not able to ready to speak any sentence in English yourself. You can practice alone at your home if you don't have any partner to speak English, to learning this language. My friend, just I would like to tell you, if you are learning something new, then you can learn, you can achieve them. A few months ago, I could not understand English, I could not speak English language, and that time I could understand but could not speak very well. But today I can speak this language as I am speaking right now, as you can see very well. So yes, my friend, just I'm talking to you. If you wanna learn something new, then you can learn, my friend. Just it's depend on your practice. So when it's depend on your practice, so why you can't learn? You can also learn all things by practicing. And English, just you can learn by speaking practice, by listening practice, by reading practice, writing practice. There are so many things available over their phone, just you have to use it, and just you have to learn these things. No one can stop you to learn any new things. You have to learn all things. So when I can learn English language, so why you can't? You can also learn English language. So no need to worry about anything, no need to fear like speaking English, learning English. Just you have to start learning English language. Even my friends, you do work, you do some work at your home, right? So those things you can think in English in your mind, and then you can speak, then you can speak in English those things. Because every day you do some work at your home right now. Yes, I'm right, my friends. And because I do also some work at my home, so yeah, I can understand you. So definitely you will be do some work at your home, so those things you can think in your mind, and just you have to speak in English. So like this, if you do practice every day, then your English will be boost. Okay, just you have to practice every day. And for learning English language, for improve your English language, just you have to watch English podcast video. You can listen slow English podcast video, because initially if you listen fast English podcast video, then I think you will be not able to understand proper. Okay, so initially you should listen slow English podcast video, then you can understand easily. Okay, my friends, if you have any doubt, then you can search over their phone, whether if you search Google's, YouTube, and if you search any on application, then you can search, everything is available over their smartphone. So you no need to worry about anything, just you have to take action. Okay, yes, and encountered all things. And my friends, the most thing is, you don't have to think negative, just you have to think positive vibes. Because my friends, as you think, then your mind will be ready to do that thing. So if you think positive, then your mind will be ready to do positive positive way. And if you think negative way, then your mind will be ready to do those things in negative way. So my friends, you have to think in positive way. Okay. So my friends, at the end of the video, just I wanted to tell you, my friends, uh, first you should learn basic grammar rules, as I told you, as I mentioned you. And second, simultaneously you should make so many sentences and practice. You have to practice with them. And third thing is listening, reading, writing, and forming sentence. You should practice with them every day. Okay. And what work you do every day at your home, that thing, those thing you have to think in your mind, and you have to speak. Okay. And fourth, record yourself and listen that video. This every day, if you do like this, then after some days, after 1 week, 2 weeks, we can say, you will see yourself that it will be improved better than before. Yes, you will see yourself. If you give your time honestly to learn English language, then definitely your English will be improved. And friends, honestly, you speak on any topic, and if you don't have proper knowledge to speak this language, suppose that, my friends, what happened? At least you are trying to learn, at least you're trying to speak in English. And what happened if you make mistakes? My friend, by mistake you can learn so many things, and everyone learn by doing by mistakes. In my opinion, my friends, if you do so many mistake, so learn so many things by mistake, from mistakes. Okay. So don't fear makes mistake, that I, when I speak English, then I'll make so many mistakes. So don't fear mistake, no need to worry, make mistakes. Mistake is a part of learning. So make mistake and learn all things, learn English. So my friends, just I need to your support, which is your hand. Just you have to press the subscribe button and like button. So subscribe the channel and motivate me make more videos, and keep learning together and keep practicing together. And my friend, still I'm learning English language, so I'm not saying like I have to learn all things in English. Just I'm learning English language. Still I'm learning English. Friends, what I have experienced while learning English language, just I want to share with you. Just I have to share with you. And yeah. So if you got any knowledgeable things from watching my video, my friends, you can tell me by pressing like button, and motivate me make more videos. Keep practicing together and keep learning together, and you all achieve your goals, and keep growing together. So see you in the next lecture, and have a nice day. Bye bye.